Greetings from San Francisco! The Golden Gate Bridge. We are here in San Francisco, and I feel like I haven't really explained. It's been a very, very, very last minute trip. I literally had 2 days to sort everything out and actually get here. So the reason that I'm in San Francisco, in California, is we are doing a charity ride from San Francisco down to LA. And yeah, that is why I literally had no time. I was just like, right, I've got to pack, get everything sorted, get my flight sorted, get the train sorted. But I'm here, and as you can see, the beautiful, beautiful Golden Gate Bridge is behind me. And also, I'm just going to introduce you to a couple of friends. I'm here with Laura.
Hello.
So, Laura works for the We Charity.
I do.
And if you could just explain a little bit about what the charity does and what the money is going towards.
Absolutely. So We Charity is basically all about making doing good doable. So we work with young people in schools across the UK and North America, and we get them to get into volunteering, social action, active citizenship, all these things that are so needed, especially today in today's world. So this specific fundraising adventure, it's going towards schools in Crawley, Swansea and Manchester, which is where the Virgin Atlantic bases are. So it's really exciting. We're going to be able to send our speakers to those schools, send resources to those schools, so the teachers are able to deliver lessons, with curriculum matched to specific issues that the kids care about.
That's amazing, and it's so local. I'm not living in Manchester, so it's like so good to know that money is being funded straight back into the community that I'm from.
And it's really important to Virgin Atlantic to be really delivering these impacts in their bases across the UK.
Perfect, amazing. So this is the first morning of the ride. How are we all feeling?
Excited, really excited. This is a really short one today, so it's nice, isn't it, to just kind of figure out the bikes and ease our way in.
It's so cold.
It's so cold. It's so cold. But it's beautiful. It's got that moody thing going on right now. So. And seeing Laura and your face coming down here and seeing that
it's
like the first time.
Yeah, it's amazing.
And I still feel like that every time I'm here.
Yeah,
it's amazing.
It is lovely.
So cool.
I'm going to pan around to the beautiful bridge. So we're going to be riding over there now. Oh, and by the way, I'm not doing this on my own. I'm with 67 other people! Okay, let's go. And Chris there, who's just running in, he's the guy that's organised all this, so yeah, big up to Chris. So we finished the ride for the day, which was about 40k or something. It was literally just over the Golden Gate Bridge. And so I kind of wanted to explain now, like, how I've come to be here and why it was so last minute. So, got Elle here.
Hello.
And then we're going to be speaking to a guy called Tim, and I'm just going to let Tim explain. So let's ring him.
Right, first of all, I was signed up to do this ride that you're about to do. And I've been looking forward to it for ages. It's a Virgin thing. They do lots of different rides and adventures through the year, and I signed up for a couple this year, and this was the big one. And the one that I signed up for previously didn't work because I had to work instead of doing this. So I was really sort of hyped up for this. And then a week before we're due to start, I had an accident in St Lucia and I've sprained my ankle. I can't walk, I'm on crutches. Don't look at me like that. And so it was all going to fade away. I wasn't going to be able to do it at all. And I made a comment on one of your Lombardia videos saying I was just about to go to San Francisco to do it, and I can't do it because I've knackered my leg. And you said jokingly, well, I'll do it in your place. And we thought, well, that's a good idea.
Actually,
Why not?
let's just do that then.
Yeah.
It was genuinely like a bit of a
So-
joke. Yeah. No.
Yeah. And because you knew Elle and I know Elle, and I knew that you two knew each other as well, I think I mentioned it to Elle at the time. I said, why don't we get Katie to do it? And she said, yeah, go for it. So we got hold of various people and said, can we do this? And they said, yeah, you can.
Let's do this.
So here we are. So you're there and I'm here.
Oh, I know. Well, thank you so much. So that was kind of the point. So we're doing it for this charity. We've spoken to Laura earlier from the charity, and so
Right,
I'm going to
right.
put all the links below. So please, if you are enjoying the videos, and if you feel sorry for Tim like we do, please give us a couple of pounds. Please, he's going to be at home and we're here. You've got to feel bad for this guy. You've got to feel so bad for him. But
Yeah.
such good spirit. You've got such a good kind of outlook on it. So positive, just so like amazing. And you're going to be doing like a little bit of riding on Zwift, aren't you? As we're
I
riding.
am, yeah. When you guys start a little bit later on, what time is that going to be, by the way? Do you know?
We've just done the first bit.
Just
so
did the
we
first 20
okay,
minutes.
but there's
Yeah.
no more riding today.
Oh, right, okay, you've already done it. Okay.
Yeah.
I'll be riding at the same time as you tomorrow.
Ace.
And whether I do the whole distance or not.
No,
will
just
depend
do a
on
little
how-
bit.
how
Just
I
do a little
feel.
bit. See how you feel.
Yeah. And hopefully we'll manage to get together on FaceTime or whatever
Yes.
during the week,
Yes,
so
definitely.
that we can compare notes and you can tell
Exactly.
me how much fun you're having and I can tell you how miserable I'm feeling.
But it's all for the charity. It's for the charity,
It's all
Tim.
for
Come
these
on.
charities. It's all for these wonderful charities, and so
Absolutely.
we're really hoping that people will support it and can come along with us, if you like, to help these guys out, all these various people.
Enjoy the journey, whether from at home, whether here, or whether on Zwift.
Yeah, I mean, I saw what you put on Strava yesterday, and all these people going, "What? You're in San Francisco? How did that happen?"
People thought it
And
was
I'm
Zwift.
sitting-
People were saying, it's just a Zwift ride.
You
And then
say,
they're like,
when did Swift go to San Francisco? That hasn't happened
I was
yet.
like,
It will probably.
it
won't
is not Zwift. It is not. I'm actually in San Francisco, so yeah.
Yeah. And I was dying to put a comment on saying, "I know what she's
I
doing."
know what's going on. I literally just put like video coming soon, like a little teaser. But yeah,
yeah.
we are here.
Yeah.
So thank you so much, Tim. And we will keep in
No
touch. We'll keep in touch.
Yeah, good. Yeah.
Thank you, Tim.
I can have a glass of wine now. See you later. Bye.
Poor guy, like he's at home on crutches and in pain, and then we're here in San Francisco. So yeah, please, I'm going to put like link donations below. If you can just spare £1, please. If everyone watches this video, just puts £1 or 50p or $1 or whatever you can afford. It's such a good charity, and yeah, that is it for today. We're going to be doing videos every single day of this ride, carrying my camera, editing at night, hopefully get videos up every single day depending on Wi-Fi. But yeah, that's it for today. We're going to go and sit in the coach now, head over to Truckee and get editing. So I will see you next video.